Yo, you see this?
What are you doing? Come on.
Do you see this?
I see it.
I know you don't have your glasses on, but do you see what this is?
I can see that big item sticking in my face. It's like a big diamond that you wish you had on your finger, right? Is that what it is? Oh,
this isn't funny, Jeff.
It is funny.
I found this again in my suitcase.
What's that got to do with me?
Here,
No,
take it.
I don't want to do it tonight. No. Don't put it near my beer.
Does it not look just like the one that you supposedly... I think you buried it. Did you bury it?
Are you questioning what I've told you before?
Oh, you got a smirk.
I always got a smirk.
Did you...
I live with a smirk. I'll probably die with a smirk.
Did you get rid of the doorknob?
Do I still have a smirk?
Yes.
Yes, I got rid of it. I told you that.
And
one of my biggest
where
things.
do you think that doorknob came from?
No. What's my biggest thing? I always say, bury them deep. 7.5 in a bag of lime. I always say that.
I know you said that, but I don't know that. I didn't watch you do it.
Nobody needs.
If I tell you,
Jeff, look, if I tell you I do something, I do it.
Wait a minute. Could you just be quiet for just 1 minute?
Well, I don't like accusations.
Okay, I just need to know where
Stay local.
the second doorknob comes from.
I don't know where a second doorknob. I would presume it comes from a second door. That's where a second doorknob would come from, right?
You're being a smartass.
I am. I live by the smartass rule. Live and die by it. But I didn't put that wherever you found it. I don't know what the hell you're even talking about.
Well, both vacations, the common denominators are you and Larry, right?
Oh, it's me
and
Larry.
this last house that we were at was haunted. There was
how do you know it wasn't haunted?
It was we could have got... What do you mean, how do I know it was haunted?
We did the stuff with Robin, but we don't know it's haunted. We had a few things that happened, doesn't mean it's haunted.
Larry heard footsteps.
That's Larry.
Robin had a door shut.
No, after 15 Coronas, he hears everything.
You said you were a believer.
I am a believer.
Now you're not a believer?
In the world of Jeff, that's what I believe in.
So you say then what? How to get my suitcase?
Somebody's messing with you, but it ain't me.
Okay, let's go back. When I told you about the glasses prank, your reaction was very subdued, like very calm about it, and which is unlike you.
Yeah.
You had the camera on me finding it in my suitcase.
Right.
Now I find another one in my suitcase.
Right.
Or is it the same one that you supposedly buried somewhere?
Well, remember, it can't be the same one unless somebody super glued it, because that thing was broke. Remember? That came apart in my hand.
Well, I don't know that doesn't come apart. I didn't try to twist it or anything.
No, this seems together. It almost looks like somebody used a pair of channel locks.
Do you think it's possible if you didn't do it, right? And Larry says he didn't do it. I didn't talk to him.
Your brother's a liar. Remember, he came over to this house, remember? Walked up here, him and Joe. Oh, we want a truce. We want this. Bullshit.
Then could it possibly be a spirit that...
Nah, that's stretching a spirit. How the hell's a Okay, Casper the Friendly Ghost, right? Casper the Friendly Ghost, he couldn't really pick up things. So I'm going by Casper because I used to love cartoons. He couldn't pick it up. So I don't think a spirit's going to put
It's a cartoon, Jeff. It has nothing to do with...
I love cartoons. Looney Tunes. I live by Looney Tunes.
You can do things with your mind.
Yeah, I can.
And supposedly spirits have all this electrical energy.
This was a relaxing night.
Jeff?
Look, I didn't put this stinking doorknob in, what was it? Suitcase?
Yeah.
I didn't put it in a suitcase. I know exactly where I buried the other one. Buried, I say, because I said 7.5 foot and a bag of lime. John, stay local.
You need to stop hollering.
Well, he's deaf. He's 12 years old. It's
he
like
knows where he's going. He does the same loop all the time.
I know he does.
I want you to show me where you buried it.
Are you serious?
Show me where you buried it. Show me the other doorknob. Show me.
So, are we going to take this with us? Are you going to go in the woods? Did you spray off on your legs
Well, you
so
know
you
what?
don't get
Give it to me
chiggers and
because
ticks?
I don't
Huh?
want you doing any sleight of hand
I'm not doing sleight of hand.
acting like it was in a hole or something.
Okay, where's the shovels? Since you took out all the shovels to dig your gnome village.
There's a spade right there.
Right. I'll use this. I like that. Johnny, what are you looking at, buddy? Mommy yelling at Daddy, accusing? Accusations are flying, Johnny. I know.
Where'd you bury it?
Where'd I bury what?
Now you're saying what? It was the first
Now you're
doorknob.
saying what? Is that a new
Doorknob.
for you?
Doorknob, the first doorknob. Where'd you bury it?
Out back.
Out back. Out back behind the Morton building?
Out yonder as the crow flies.
Uh-huh.
What? Seriously? Are you going to follow me?
Yes.
God.
I have to see it.
Johnny, bite your mom's leg right at the cat.
No, that's not nice.
Well, you're being mean. Why would you be
I'm
mean
not
to me?
being mean, Jeff. Somebody's playing with my mind, okay?
But
I
if your
want
husband,
to know.
If your husband of 35 years be 36 in September.
Hi, I
and you're
know when
telling
we were
me-
married, okay?
Right, well, if I'm telling you I didn't do it, I didn't do it. Right?
Well, you're just going to have to prove to me that it's not there. I'm telling you, just have to know. You measured?
No, but I always wanted to do that. That was pretty good, wasn't it? Johnny, stay local. Where are you, buddy?
He's right there. He won't go anywhere.
Now, it would have been easier if I just went like this and threw it in the dumpster, but I didn't. Because I told you I was going to bury it, so
You're taking me on like a little, what do you call it?
A treasure hunt? A hunt?
No, when it's not for real.
Oh, when it's not for real?
You buried it in the leaves?
Well, I didn't bury it in the leaves.
How deep did you go?
I only put it in.
Uh-huh. Exactly.
You're such a drama queen.
Do you remember where you buried it?
No, I don't have an idea. It's got to be right around here, though.
Yeah, well, if it's not there, that means there's a little bit of spirituality going on here.
Oh, spirituality? It's dry as all hell. It's been in here a while.
Uh-huh.
I know what's in here. If somehow it got out of here, there's a big problem.
So you're saying that Larry came here, knew where you buried it, and dug it up and put it in my suitcase again when we went to Maryland?
I'm sort of panicking here because it was here.
Uh-huh. I told you, spirits can still do stuff.
No, they can't.
Yes, they can.
I know it's here.
Well, I don't see it.
I don't see it either. It's pissing me off. I'll dig till I find shit.
Mm-hmm.
All right, something's weird here because it wasn't that deep.
This looks like the exact same doorknob. So that means either you did it.
I didn't do it. I'm
How?
telling you.
I don't know that a spirit could actually dig the hole. And I doubt very much Larry knew where you buried it.
Right. Well, I know nobody knew where I buried it.
Well, how deep down did you go?
About a foot. Huh. Somebody had to be watching me. I don't know. Now I'm starting to panic a little bit here.
You think Larry came onto our property and watched you?
I don't know.
Watch John, he's right behind you. All right.
I don't know.
I believe somebody took it. Somebody took it then.
No, it's here. It's got to be here because I...
You didn't do it, right?
No, I swear to God I didn't do it.
Okay, okay.
Well, I'm sitting here out of freaking breath.
All right, I'm sorry.
No, I'll find it. I'm going to dig the whole goddamn thing up if I have to use the backhoe. I'll find it.
Well, if Larry came and took it, hon, we wouldn't know. How about this? How about me and you go over and confront Larry?
No, I'm pissed off now.
Jeff?
What? Well, we're going to go over and consult with a liar? Because I know he's been doing shit. Do you think it's going to be worthwhile? I know it's here.
I say we go over there and we tell him that he's just got to come clean. He's got to tell us the truth. I don't know.
Well, if you want to do that, because either way, somebody had to see me do it. Somebody had to see me.
Well,
right.
and I know you don't want to hear about a spirit, but if Larry swears he didn't do it, could there it possibly be something from like I don't know, a message or something? I mean, you figure I had a glass doorknob when I was 16 in my suitcase, and in the past 3 weeks I've gotten an old glass doorknob in my suitcase. So, and I know the stories out there, and Larry and Kevin and Joe and all them know it, and so does Jackie. But Jackie wasn't on vacation. Kevin wasn't on vacation.
Right.
Joe wasn't on vacation. Larry was. So if you're 100%,
I'm 100% sure. This pissed me off.
it wasn't you, then maybe there's like a 90% chance it's Larry and 10% that it's an actual message from beyond.
I'll buy the 10%. That's it. Now I'm pissed the frig off.
All right, Jeff.
What?
I'll text him and we'll go over there, okay?
All right.
Are you all right now? You're getting
No.
all... Huh?
I'm pissed off. I'll dig the whole thing up. It's your brother. It's got to be your brother. All right. We'll go over there, all right? All right. I'm done. Turn it off.
I had to turn the camera back on because...
Yeah, you had to, because I want to prove something here, right here.
He was just digging in the wrong spot.
Look,
So he's
there
got
it is
it,
right there. There's
and
the
here's
other
this
one. Because
So-
I hate to be called a liar. I
didn't
hate,
call you a liar.
but when I can't find it where I buried it, I feel like I've been accused of being a
Don't
liar,
give me
which
an
I'm not.
Don't give me an attitude.
I'm not
please.
giving you an attitude, but either way. So either way, let's go over to your brother's house and find out what ails him, because it's got to be him, because it isn't me. There it is right there.
Okay.
All right?
I believe you.
Pisses me off.